Welcome to my apartment. Okay, it's not just me. I have two wonderful roommates. But they're not here right now, so I can be as loud as I want. But I'm not going to be. If no one's around, I can turn this little hook and activate the jump cut elevator to get downstairs. Impromptu mini room tour. Perspective 1. Perspective 2. Shot. Reverse shot. Shot. Reverse shot. Closet. Best fan ever. Pillows. Flower. Laundry. Shelves. Monitors. Pie. Coat rack. Snacks. Futon. Bed. Lampshade in the corner. And me inside. It's quite big. How big? We'll find out. Measuring montage. Do-do-do. I don't know how to read a jingle. "207 square feet. That means I could cover the floor with 30,000 gumballs. Introducing the Gumball standard. The best way to put numbers in perspective and make little numbers seem bigger than they are. Today, I'm going to try something new. A video idea that might not work. When we first moved in, we were struck by the lack of kitchen space. And Evan immediately had some great ideas. This used to be a tiny closet. We added shelves and now it's a proper pantry. And we made this ingenious over-the-sink contraption to free up the drawers. Plus, when you're done with something, the storage location is the drying rack. We got a new stove that actually has a flat surface. And jump cut activated cupboards. But my main goal is to fix the fridge. It's not broken, but it's backwards. See, when you're rummaging for food, it blocks the pathway. You can temporarily store stuff on the kitchen table, see if anything fits on this little idea of a shelf, or reach over the door to the counter. So I plan to change that. See, the door screws have mirror image locations on the other side. The handles will have to flip, but it seems possible. I'll need some tools. Hope I have the right screwdriver. Lucky for me, I have all the screwdrivers. I think I'll start with the top door. Looks like I need a wrench. Ooh, come back here. Give it a clean. Save the part somewhere. Ho-ho! Might be a good idea to unplug this thing now that the door's off. Easier said than done. Don't fall. And yes. Interesting. Well, I appear to have gotten the door off. Maybe should have taken some stuff out. Somewheres. Don't break on me. See, I was having a little trouble here with these screws because I thought I couldn't get an angle, but it turns out that if you loosen them, they can come right out. Oh man. This is the top, now I have to unscrew upside down. Yes. Now I need to work on these. One down. Doo-doo. Wonder how this attaches. Yep. Oh, that's disgusting. That I didn't touch. That I didn't touch. Guess I'll just move it over. Oh, no, probably do this. I just need to pick the opposite diagonal corners this time. Oh man. Seems pretty sturdy. So these guys gotta go. So this has to flip over, somehow go on here. Alignment. Better leverage. Oh! I just realized I forgot to put the door on when I put the hinge in. Control Z. Since I'm reversing the door, the hinge used to go there, but I need to take the little cat paw, come back here, and put it in over there. And then I have to do a similar thing to the bottom because that thing used to be over there. Potential moment of truth. Dang, this thing probably has to move. My tools! Where the actual heck? Really need this wrench. Aha! Ooh, stop it. Okay. Just realized if this doesn't work, I have a lot of bad food. Ooh. That seemed to line up. Falling. Well, that's promising. It kind of fits. Just stay. If I can just get this lined up for a second. Ooh. Think I got it. As it all comes crashing down. This is why I should be ambidextrous. I'm not. Come on! Ugh. What? And it didn't come crashing down. Well, that's one down. I really hope this works. So now I need to get this thing attached down the corner. Find any room up here. These can go back on the other side. Guess the opposite diagonal corners. Oh! Probably shouldn't put this other screw in yet because the door isn't on. I'm learning. So just like the fridge door, this cosmetic guy reverses direction. Then manhandle the door on, see if it fits. But then realize that this little thing needs to come off. That's in tightening mode. On the other side you go. Wait, what? 'Tis a conundrum. I need these holes, but they don't exist yet. Guess I'll make them myself. Step 582, manhandle the door back on. Step 583, take it off because you realize you left your tools in the freezer. Take two. Hey, it did work. Well, you know. Ooh, okay. Obviously it needs some tightening. Oh. No! Oh! Oh! Mm. Hey! Now I just need the handles. Seem like weapons. Maybe. Nope. That's not gonna work. Can't be that hard. Maybe. What the heck? Handle one down. Purely for decoration. Cap one, cap two, and it's literally just these three guys left to plug the holes. Now just manhandle this guy back into the corner. It was easier without the doors to move. Oh! No! Need to plug it in. Oh! Come on. Hey, it still works. Now manhandle the fridge back into the corner. Oh! So different. Hey, and even the ice cubes kind of made it. They're not completely watery. Just need to find a home for these three guys. Ta-da! Was the 3 hours worth it? Yes, definite win. And I didn't even lose any parts.